fly. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly.
Arts Workfly.
Hey guys, I just came back from the post office and guess what I just picked up?
Brushstrokes on a canvas.
We did it! I'm so proud of you guys. We did it. We made it thus far. Let's head inside and take a look at it. We did it, you guys. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm so excited. So this is it, guys. We did it. 100 subscribers. So we're going to open our package now. This is not mine, this is ours. So we're going to open our package now.
Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Hands that guide and hearts that feel. Through the struggle, through the zeal. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing from the deepest soul.
So it says, you just done something very few YouTube creators accomplished. You had an astonishing 100 people subscribe to your channel. So guys, I really do not do this for rewards. I really do not consider myself a YouTuber.
So I accidentally pushed the box in, so it missed some of the parts.
Shadows dance and highlights sing from the deepest soul we bring a vision clear.
So this is my birthday cake and my subscriber cake in one. Just show you what good. 1, 2, nervous again. What good. 1, 2, 3. Yo, we did it. Alright, so I have this package here. I collected them yesterday and I thought it would fit into just open it on here because it's my belated birthday and I also hit 500 in October, which is my month. So I thought it fit in to just open it here. I don't even know what is in that one, but I want to open it because I want to know what is in this package. What was this again? Sometimes I buy things that I don't even remember what I buy. Because to how long I bought it, I forgot why I bought it. Alright, this is what I was waiting for. So right now this phone is catched up basically. So I bought a tripod for my phone. Alright, so this is the gift that I got, guys. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell.
The journey to your glory.
Thank you guys. Alright, so yes guys, this is what I got. Just to remind myself. Just to remind myself when I made that mark. Because I don't remember when I hit 100 subscribers. So I made a video with it. I'm gonna try and find that video. I think I had to take it though because I got copyright. I had use a copyright song on it. So I don't remember when I got 100 subscribers, but I'm gonna search for that video. So this is what I got, guys. Oh my god, please don't. You know from one of these photos? I've never.
To the sky. With each creation we can try.
What
Success
about you? Haven't
never
tickling?
leave you and cry. Together we are artwork fly.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.